So Fantasy Flight Games released a PDF called Guide to the Imperium, and it was a beautiful compilation of lore regarding the Twilight Imperium universe. And it was so beautiful that I decided it absolutely had to be printed and in my hands. So I put together this file so that I could print it at Lulu. Do be warned that if you want to print it at Lulu, you do have to use special print-ready files. Follow the link in the description, and you'll see those. Basically, it has to take bleed into account, and you'll need a special cover. But I've done the work for you, and if you see here, it has turned out just beautiful. Look at that. No weird white margins, which is what happens if you use the wrong bleed. And just a joy to look through. Print quality, very nice. Picture turned out good. The text, nice and sharp and clear and easy to read. Our favorite newbies. How do you pronounce it? I go Wheel Wraith. Not sure. Heard of Vol Wraith, Wheel Wraith. 2-page art spreads. Gotta love that. And again, nice and clear. Prints just fine. You get the stories. And then the actual stories. Not quite as visually exciting, but you'll see the text is, again, nice and crisp and easy to read. By the way, this story is depressing as hell. Do not read it if you are in a bad mood. Read it when you're happy and want to be unhappy. Just that one. All the other stories are quite enjoyable. That one is just sort of wallowing in misery porn. Great shot of the Lazax. I think it's the only really good Lazax picture we get. And to the end, the final page, and look at that. So yeah, I recommend it. Cost about $27 plus shipping, unless you have a coupon. I did. And follow the link in the description, and you'll be able to get to the nice pre-made files that I have for you, because I am a wonderful guy and I love you all.